Ever felt overwhelmed by all the banking options out there? From hidden fees to low interest rates, choosing the right bank and financial tools can be confusing. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sarah, and today we're unlocking the secret of smart banking, helping you find the best banks, accounts, and financial tools to maximize your money. Plus, I'm going to show you how to avoid those pesky fees and snag the best interest rates. If you're ready to take control of your banking and make smarter financial choices, hit that like button and let's dive in. All right, let's talk traditional banks. These are the big names you see on every corner with those fancy buildings and people in suits. They're convenient, usually offer a full range of services like checking accounts, savings, loans, even that investment stuff. You can walk in, talk to a real person. It feels kind of nice, you know? But here's the catch. Because they have all those branches and employees to pay, traditional banks often charge higher fees. Think monthly maintenance fees on your checking account, ATM fees if you're not using machines. It adds up. Now, traditional banks be a good option if you value face-to-face interaction or need a specific service they excel at. But for most people, especially if you're comfortable with online banking, there might be better options out there. Let's talk about online banks. These are like the cool kids on the block, and they're changing the game. Because they don't have the overhead of physical branches, they can offer some seriously sweet deals. Think way higher interest rates on savings accounts and checking accounts that don't nickel and dime you with fees. Now you might be thinking, but Sarah, what about customer service? Don't worry, most online banks have awesome customer support that's available 24/7 through chat, email, or even phone. And let's be real, in this day and age, most of us are already doing our banking online anyway, right? So why not choose a bank that's built for the digital world and rewards you for it? Online banks are all about convenience and maximizing your money. Credit unions are like those exclusive clubs with awesome perks, except anyone can join. Here's the deal. Credit unions are owned by their members. That means you. So instead of profits going to some big corporation, they go right back to the members in the form of lower fees, higher interest rates on savings, and better loan rates. It's like a financial co-op. And because they're smaller, credit unions often provide more personalized customer service. Now, credit unions might not have as many branches as those big banks, but they often belong to shared networks, so you can still access your money and ATMs nationwide. If you're looking for a more community-focused banking experience with awesome perks, a credit union might be the perfect fit. Let's talk checking accounts. This is your money's home base, where you'll be putting your paycheck, paying bills, and swiping that debit card. First things first, avoid monthly maintenance fees like the plague. Seriously, why pay a bank to hold your money when there are tons of banks out there that offer free checking? No excuses. Next, check out those ATM fees. Some banks have huge ATM networks, so you can take out cash without getting slapped with a fee. Others might reimburse you for ATM fees charged by other banks. That's a sweet deal. And here's a big one, overdraft protection. We've all been there. You accidentally overspend and get hit with a hefty overdraft fee. Look for a checking account with free overdraft protection or link it to your savings account to avoid those fees. All right, let's talk savings accounts. This is your financial safety net, the place where you stash your emergency fund, your vacation money, or that down payment on your dream house. Now, the interest rates on traditional savings accounts are usually pretty low, but hey, it's better than nothing, right? The key here is to look for an account with no monthly fees and no withdrawal limits. You never know when you might need to access that cash, so you don't want to get hit with any surprises. Think of your savings account like a piggy bank, but instead of collecting dust on a shelf, it's actually growing, slowly but surely, while it sits there. Now, if you really want to see your savings grow, you need to get yourself a high-yield savings account. These bad boys are usually found at online banks, and they offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. We're talking 5 to 10 times higher. That's like getting free money just for saving. The beauty of high-yield savings accounts is that they offer the same security and FDIC insurance as regular savings accounts, but with the potential for much higher returns. It's a win-win. And here's a pro tip: set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your high-yield savings account every month. That way, you're consistently growing your savings without even thinking about it. Let's talk about those pesky banking fees, shall we? Banks make billions of dollars each year from fees, and a lot of them are totally avoidable. It's like they're trying to sneak attack your finances. Overdraft fees are the worst. One minute you're enjoying a latte, the next minute you're hit with a $35 fee for overspending by $2. Brutal. Seriously, enable overdraft protection or link your account to savings to avoid these. Then there are minimum balance fees. Some banks require you to keep a certain amount of money in your account, or else they'll charge you a fee. Come on, it's your money. Look for accounts with no minimum balance requirements and keep more of your hard-earned cash. And don't forget about those foreign transaction fees. Traveling abroad? Some banks will charge you a fee every time you use your card in another country. Do your research and find a bank that waives those fees so you can travel without breaking the bank. Alright, now that we've covered the basics of smart banking, let's talk about some awesome tools that can take your finances to the next level. There are some incredible budgeting and banking apps out there that can help you track your spending, save more money, and reach your financial goals faster. One of my favorites is Mint. Mint automatically connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, tracks all your transactions, and categorizes your spending for you. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. Then there's YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB is all about giving every dollar a job. You allocate your money to different categories like rent, groceries, and fun money, so you always know where your money is going. If you're into investing and tracking your net worth, Personal Capital is the way to go. It gives you a complete picture of your finances, including your investments, retirement accounts, and even your real estate holdings. And if you're looking for a fun and easy way to save money, check out Acorns. Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change for you. It's like investing on autopilot. Here are some of my pro tips for smart banking that will help you maximize your money and achieve your financial goals faster. First up, automate your savings. Remember those high-yield savings accounts we talked about? Set up automatic transfers from your checking account every month, even if it's just a small amount. Trust me, you won't even miss the money, and it'll add up faster than you think. Next, use multiple accounts to your advantage. Keep your checking account for bills and everyday expenses, a savings account for short-term goals and emergencies, and a high-yield savings account for long-term savings. And speaking of goals, don't forget to review your finances regularly. Check your bank statements for any errors or hidden fees, and make sure your money is working hard for you. Alright, let's recap what we learned today. We covered a lot of ground, but the key takeaway is that smart banking is all about being proactive and making your money work harder for you. Choose the right bank for your needs, whether it's a traditional bank, an online bank, or a credit union. Use the right accounts for your different financial goals. Avoid those pesky fees like the plague, and take advantage of awesome financial tools to manage your money efficiently. You've got this. Now that you know the secrets of smart banking, it's time to take action. Switch to better accounts, automate your finances, and start growing your money today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more money tips. Comment below with your favorite banking hack. See you in the next one.